Did you know you can make money on Instagram without ever showing your face? Affiliate marketing doesn't have to mean personal branding or constant filming. With the Affiliate Automation Academy, you get a plug and play system designed for faceless Instagram growth. The first step is finding right offers. The course teaches you how to filter for evergreen niches and high paying products, so your chances of daily commissions are much higher. Then, you'll learn how to create or even buy Instagram accounts that look clean, trustworthy, and ready to promote. From there, the content system takes over. Instead of long videos, you'll post short, viral style clips that are just 4 to 5 seconds each. Because they're so quick, they're easy to make, and they have a much higher chance of being fully watched, which helps the algorithm push them to more people. Once people start engaging, your automated DMs handle the rest. With keyword triggers and pre-written scripts, your affiliate link is delivered at the perfect time, without you sitting in the inbox all day. And to keep it all manageable, the course gives you a 20-minute daily routine. Post, engage, check your inbox, and move on with your day. If you're ready to make money on Instagram without showing your face, click the link in the description to join the Affiliate Automation Academy through my link and unlock exclusive bonuses.